Okay, hi class. Some of you have been saying that you're having a hard time accessing iCivics, so I'm going to show you a little tutorial of how you can access it. So just follow along with me very carefully because I'm going to be giving you guys stuff on iCivics in the future. So if you're having a hard time accessing it now, that's not going to be good as we do other assignments, okay? So please just pay attention and then let me know after if you have any specific questions I can answer for you. So first thing you're going to do to get to iCivics, so you go to your home page. I'm going to use first period. So today you have the Making Laws web class. I'm sorry, Lucy just ruined my video. Lucy, shh. Okay, so today you Lucy! Excuse Lucy barking. So today you have your Making Laws web quest due at 7:59. So I'm going to click on this because this is going to iCivics. All right. So you go to instructions and you click on the link that needs to go to iCivics, okay? Then you should get to this page to sign in if you're not signed in already. But if you are signed in, then you should be having this problem. But you're going to click sign in. All right. And then you have this page. You have to log in to iCivics. Very, very, very important. This does not work. You cannot just put your Monroe account here. It's not going to work. You have to scroll down and you have to click sign in with Google. When you click the sign in with Google, then you pick your Monroe account, okay? So you pick your Monroe account and then it automatically opens to what you need to do. Okay, so this is the web quest. So this is what you need to do. It automatically goes in. If for some reason you get into iCivics and it's not showing you this, then you can go back to the original assignment in the, let me show you, in the other tab. So look, you can go back to your other assignment in the Google account, and then you can click on that. All right, and then since you're logged in this time, it'll automatically go again to where you need to go. So let's just say we finished it, all right? And then you click respond. Well, I didn't fill in all the things, but as you guys are working, I can see your progress. So I can see all the stuff on my end. So let me just show you. I can show you what that looks like. I can show you what that looks like. Hold on. Go to my iCivics. So that's another thing, guys. If you can't find the assignment once you log in, you can also try going to the top corner there where it says My iCivics. You can go to your classes. This is a teacher view, so it's not going to look the same. But as you guys can see, I can see all of your responses here, okay? So even if you guys are still working or you feel like you may have lost your answers, I can see everything you guys have done on this end, okay? So don't worry about losing your answers. I have it all on here, alrighty? But that's all for iCivics as to how to log in and access the assignments. If you have any other questions, please let me know because like I said, we are going to have other assignments on iCivics. So if you don't understand, please let me know. Thank you guys.